Cabin 8281, this is a regular balcony here on the Horizon. So when you come in, you see you have your closets. There's 3 of them. These 2 are all hanging, and they can convert, which is nice because that shelf is either up or down. This one is going to be shelves, safe, and drawers. Moving further in, you have a mini fridge right there. I believe your hairdryer is hidden in here. You have 2 USB power, 2 US power. This mirror lights up, which is nice. 3 shelves and a little bench to sit on. Across from this, there is a sofa that can convert to a bed if you need it. Speaking of bed, down here is the bed. You have either a king or 2 twins when you separate them out. If you separate them, these little nightstands would sort of go in between the middle. There is no extra power by the bed. Moving across from the bed, though, you have your TV. This is a balcony, so let's go take a look at the balcony. Decent-sized balcony. You got 2 chairs, nice table. And over here on this side, of course, not much there to see, but there is room there once the door is closed. Beautiful. Let's go look at the balcony, or the bathroom, I should say. Old school with the curtain, which is not bad. Toilet in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". You got your single basin sink, 3 shelves, makeup mirror, power. Yeah, everything that you need. That looks awesome. So hopefully you enjoyed this balcony cabin. Until we see you in the next one. Ciao!